Don't make it like a vagina. I'm gonna go for center. So I'm like, lesbian, hit that hole.
Oh.
Like I can't. Oh God, that's not fair.
What do you mean it's not fair?
I didn't see it coming.
No shit, she said you wouldn't. Is this rape or abuse? I'm not sure which.
I'll try to tickle her again.
Rape, right? No, I'm gonna go with rape.
You're not ticklish anymore.
Were you trying to grab her crotch?
No.
Look at that face. No! Oh, God, dear
It's
God.
obvious I went for the stomach.
Yeah, it's not really, honestly. I mean, that's kind of why I asked.
I give up. I'm just gonna sit here. Everybody wants to kick on me.
That's what we're good for. We're friends. Man, don't poke my screen. Here, Angela, want this? You're not gonna record? Fine.